Namaskar friends, this is Raphae from PluginIndia and we are here today with the Elektron M5X. This is an e-bike with built-in hub motor with Shimano gears for the first time, cycle with Shimano gears, and a very good build with fat tires, and they've given us a lot of accessories also with the bike. So in the box comes the 80% pre-assembled cycle. The front wheel is separate, which has to be assembled. They give you the mudguard strap, the rear mudguard strap, mudguards. You have the charger, you have the battery. They give you a few tools like the spanners and the Alen keys. You have your screws and your small little plastic end holders. You got pedals, and that's about it. Just put these together, and your bike is ready to go. So let's do this. Handlebar will require Alen key. These guys.
So no, you still need to twist it around. Twist it so that the button, yeah, good. Now, that's it.
So now we turn this around and the seat. Okay,
No.
the bike is done. So I'm going to put the mudguard on. So what happened was we discovered that there are some parts which don't go anywhere. Probably it's already been assembled and used, and these are just the spares. And some of them are not there at all. What happened is the plastic bag in which these nuts were stored was torn. So it could have fallen off during transport. So this is bound to happen in a big kit like this. A few small parts here and there. So we went to the local hardware store, and 15 minutes later we are back with our screws and nuts. And we are going to assemble this now. Great. So tightening.
Mud guard.
Mud. So it's done, and the accessories are very nice. Saddlebag, and we did have a lot of problem putting the mudguard in. Because there's a lot to figure out with the spacers and the lights. But the mudguard are a good feature if you don't want all the muck and the dirt splashing onto your back and onto your front. So now that the bike is ready, these are the features. This is the key for locking and unlocking the battery pack. And this is your ignition switch. You can switch on the bike from here. Once you do that, the display comes on. it shows you 5 bars, which means 20% each, but I'm pretty sure it's a guessometer, which means that it will keep you guessing, and at 30% it will suddenly just drop while showing you 70 or 80% on the meter. So it's good. The lights can be adjusted, the height of the light can be adjusted. So rear lights and various different indications: red, blue, blinking red and blue, quick flashes, and off. And let's see the wheel spin. There it goes. So it's ready. There are the headlights. Nice and powerful headlights. And the horn. And so there it is. The bike is ready to ride, and we'll go ride soon and show you.